Hello there, my dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of making money online. Whether you're seeking a little extra income or aiming for financial freedom, you've come to the right place. So, let's jump right in. Before we embark on our journey to online success, there are a couple of crucial aspects that require your attention. Allow me to elaborate on them in detail. Discovering your abilities and interests, it's imperative to have a clear understanding of your unique set of skills and passions. Take a moment to reflect and ask yourself, what are my areas of expertise? What truly ignites my passion? Perhaps you excel in graphic design, programming, writing, or digital marketing. Understanding your strengths and focusing on activities you enjoy will pave the way for your triumph in your chosen field. Setting a goal. Once you have identified your abilities and interests, it's time to set a crystal clear goal. Visualize your desired outcome. Do you aim to supplement your current financial situation? Or do you aspire to achieve complete financial independence and embrace full-time online work? Setting a goal will serve as your guiding light, propelling you towards the necessary steps to make it a reality. Now, let's transition to our second question. What factors should you consider before venturing into the world of online work? Before you embark on your online journey, it's crucial to take certain factors into account. Here are some key points to consider. Profitable niches. Conduct thorough research on niches that yield substantial profits online. Identify niches with growing demand and explore the available marketing and earning opportunities within them. Continual learning. Embrace the mindset of continuous learning and skill development. Be prepared to acquire new skills or enhance existing ones to thrive in the online realm. Financial and time investment. Understand that, initially, you may need to invest some money in your online endeavors, such as creating a website or marketing your services. Additionally, be ready to invest considerable time and effort to build your reputation and attract clients. Adaptability to challenges. Brace yourself for challenges and obstacles along your online work journey. Be prepared to face intense competition and initial difficulties. With perseverance and dedication, you'll overcome them and emerge stronger than ever. Now, let's address another pivotal question. Why should you choose to work online? Allow me to shed light on the exciting reasons that entice countless individuals to embrace online work. Flexibility and freedom. Working online offers unparalleled flexibility in determining your working hours and location. You have the freedom to work from the comfort of your own home or any other place with an internet connection. This empowers you to manage your time according to your personal needs and achieve a harmonious work-life balance. Lucrative opportunities. Online work can prove highly profitable. With e-commerce, online marketing, and various other avenues, you have the potential to earn a substantial income. Unleashing creativity and embracing challenges. Online work provides a platform for expressing your creativity and honing your skills in various areas. You'll encounter new and exciting challenges that will foster personal and professional growth, stimulating fresh ways of thinking and problem solving. Independence. Online work offers you the chance to attain financial and professional independence. You have the freedom to build your own business and make autonomous decisions without being restricted by rules or fixed schedules. global reach, online platforms grant you access to a global audience, enabling you to collaborate with clients and partners from different parts of the world. This opens up a world of opportunities, allowing you to engage with diverse cultures and ideas. Now, my dear viewers, this concludes our insightful discussion for today. If you found this information valuable, I kindly invite you to show your appreciation by subscribing to our channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us. But wait, there's more! In our upcoming video, we'll be diving deeper into the realm of online work by exploring the best online business ventures. So, stay tuned and get ready for an extended. Thank you for being a part of our community. Remember, until we meet again, take care, stay inspired, and keep striving for greatness. Goodbye.